Welcome to our world of interior design at THT Design Channel. Here, we believe that your home is a reflection of your soul. Join us as we explore a myriad of styles, from minimalist chic to opulent grandeur. We'll transform spaces, big or small, into havens of comfort and style. Get ready to be inspired by stunning makeovers, practical design tips, and the latest trends. Let's create your dream home together. Interior design description: overall aesthetic, modern minimalism, clean lines, open spaces, and a focus on natural light and the surrounding pine forest. Nature-inspired luxury, a harmonious blend of high-end materials and natural elements to create a serene and sophisticated atmosphere. Color palette: neutral base, predominantly white walls, ceilings, and floors to enhance the feeling of spaciousness and light. Natural accents: incorporate shades of gray, beige, and brown to complement the pine forest and bring warmth to the space. Pops of color: introduce subtle accents of green, blue, or yellow through artwork, textiles, or plants to enliven the interior. Materials: natural materials, wood, stone, and glass are key elements to create a connection with the outdoors. High-end finishes: polished concrete, marble, and stainless steel add a touch of luxury and sophistication. Textured elements: incorporate materials like leather, wool, and linen for warmth and visual interest. Furniture: modern and sleek. Choose furniture with clean lines and minimalist designs to complement the overall aesthetic. Comfortable and inviting: prioritize pieces that offer both style and comfort, such as plush sofas, oversized armchairs, and cozy rugs. Multifunctional pieces: opt for furniture that serves multiple purposes to maximize space efficiency. Decor: minimalist approach, less is more, with a focus on quality over quantity. Natural elements: incorporate plants, dried flowers, or wood accents to bring the outdoors in. Statement pieces: add a touch of personality with carefully selected artwork, sculptures, or decorative objects. Textured textiles: use soft blankets, pillows, and curtains to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Key rooms: living room, open and airy space with floor-to-ceiling glass doors, a cozy seating area, and a statement fireplace. Kitchen: modern and functional with high-end appliances, a minimalist island, and ample storage. Dining room: sleek dining table with comfortable chairs, surrounded by large windows offering views of the pine forest. Bedrooms: calm and serene retreats with neutral colors, comfortable bedding, and plenty of natural light. Bathrooms: spa-like atmosphere with luxurious materials, soaking tubs, and rainfall showers. By combining these elements, you can create a stunning interior that seamlessly blends with the natural beauty of the pine forest and offers a truly exceptional living experience. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.